Hello, everyone. Welcome to another show, Career Talk for IT Professionals. And this time we have a founder, president, and CEO. no? But before that, I'd like to share with you some of our statistics. 71% of you are watching our show but not subscribed. Right? So guys, subscribe naman kayo kahit konti, no? Or tell your friends to also subscribe. So do please click that button and notification bell. Right. So now we have Brian Tan Seng, which is our guest. Brian, can you say hi to our audience?
Hi guys, hi.
Right. So Brian is our guest, who is the president, founder, and CEO. No, it's three titles in one very long title. No? So Brian, can you tell us? Can you describe for us your role?
Yeah, it's actually a role that uh, is sort of self-imposed
Mm-hmm.
kasi wala nang gagawa nito eh. I'm a technical guy. I've been a CTO previously before starting this.
Mm-hmm.
But basically, we don't follow convention eh. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a role that we play, and we're pretty flat organization.
Right.
And what I do is that, well, I lean towards the business side of things na.
Mm-hmm.
But I still sit with developers. I help with teams, with their projects. All around na eh. I help with mga prospecting, and mga analysis ng mga projects and all that stuff. Medyo, jack of all trades na.
Jack of
Yeah.
all trades, no?
Even
Um,
HR,
Even HR. Okay, wow. No,
we don't have, ito yung medyo unique sa amin.
hmm,
We don't have an HR person, but everybody in the parang management is an HR. We treat it that way.
right.
Dahil
Wow.
kilala namin yung bawat isa, we hear the problems, the issues. Yung ear is always close to the ground. We know people well.
Right, right. No. Since ito very interesting na you are parang sabi mo jack of all trades and pati HR, no? How do you describe your management style?
Yeah, my management style would be very participative and consultative. Meron akong I subscribe to yung thoughts na we would differ in opinion if don't see the same data. So ako, I usually have my own parang biases, but I ask my team to participate. Let's uncover this and that. And eventually maybe we can build the solution together, that solves the problem at hand. So we usually sit down with teams, with my management team. We consult people, and pero yun nga, I do have biases, but I give uh, the team parang a chance to get feedback, and eventually I enjoy parang solving things together. Parang management or running a company is problem solving. So enjoy parang solving problems together. Yeah, that's
As a manager, no, since you've already described a little bit on the management side or in the HR side, even the leadership side, how about on the technical side? Do you still actively code? And if you do, what's your stack? Or what scripting languages are
yeah.
you currently involved? Yeah.
Yeah, I still code.
Mm-hmm.
So right now I'm involved with the project because medyo big bank project siya. It's the stack is Java and JavaScript or TypeScript,
Mm-hmm.
for React, yan yung mga web apps. But for the back end, it's Java, Spring Boot. So I'm still writing APIs, I'm still doing code reviews. Commit din ako. So kapag okay, I need to help the team parang And of course, I help with some DevOps parts then, syempre.
Right.
Kaya medyo parte-parte. I can help the team in parang end to end. Yeah.
Mm. Right, right, right. Um, let's talk about a little bit on your unique set of value and skills, no? What what do you need to become a founder, CEO, president? What skills have you mastered that you were able to say, yes, I'm ready for this kind of role?
Yeah. Ang story ko is parang nakapag-practice ako sa previous company ko eh.
Mm,
I was able to I would say at the start I don't have confidence to start my own parang company.
mm,
But after being parang placed in the parang higher management, I was a CTO of this company, and I was able to parang grow the company from 5 to 20 to 60, and my boss is always leaving the operations with me na he's always vacationing. So sabi ko, parang I think I can run the operations in the company already because
mm,
parang basically I'm being entrusted the entire thing. So wala naman akong I'm still an employee then, but I was able to learn and parang both the technical skills and the management skills. So before jumping and starting my own firm, ayun nga, I had lots of practice. Pero nung
mm,
sabi ko, when I was I, I I'm very interested to parang to start my own practice eh.
mm,
So sabi ko, hindi ko nagagawa dito sa old company ko. I want to do it here. So
mm,
sabi ko, sige, nag-research din ako. So nagbasa-basa ako ng actually law, ano ba yung corporate law,
mm,
nag ako ng accounting, kasi yan yung taso ang mga yung mga government, mga policies, ang mga government practices and all that. Kami nung nag-start kami ng company, kami yung naglalakad ng mga papeles. So
mm,
wala kami ring talagang basa. So eventually yun ang starter for me rin, sabi ko ay medyo risky kasi hindi rin ako nag-jump kagad. Talaga nag-ipon muna ako. I got may job ako, tapos meron akong parang dalawang sidelines sa gabi.
mm,
So parang talaga nag-times 3 yung ko, parang times 3 ko yung salary ko. Tapos nag-ipon ako. Sabi ko, I will survive even without earning maybe for mga 6 to 9 months. So,
mm.
sige, kaya kong buhayin sarili ko. And from that money na inipon ko, sige, I bought I got an office, I bought some furniture, chairs, and all that stuff. Pero ang maganda kasi, we had this parang initial project na shift na lang namin into the company. May
Mm,
consultant project na kami. So we're earning na. So
mm,
parang we me and my co-founders, parang sige, mukhang naman kami, jive naman yung mga personalities namin and we enjoy working with each other. Sabi ko, sige, let's make it official. Buuin na natin to. So that
right.
was kaya siya 98 Labs. We wanted to start sana August 8, 2008. Dapat 88 Labs siya eh.
Mm, mm,
So
mm.
98 Labs kasi sige, masyado tayong na busy. Na-reserve namin, September na. It was 2008.
Mm.
But tapos namin yung incorporation December na ng 2008. So that's
Right,
the
right,
thing.
right.
So we
Mm,
well, and because we it's always parang working with friends, and we have this parang family feel that we take care of each other, we watch each other's back. So ganun yung and ayan, so 2008, so magpo 14 years na.
right. Congrats on that, no? That 14 years, no? Siguro to our audience, for sure they'll ask, no? Kasi nag-ipon ka in that sense. So parang for sure at one point naisip mo, I'm not gonna make as much as yung pag-start, no? Pag-start muna. I'm not gonna make as much as I was working. Kasi yun yung fear ng madami eh. Yung parang, ay, pag nag-start ako ng business, for sure, for X number of months, parang mas mataas yung sahod ko dati, tapos ngayon, parang hahabulin ko pa, parang biglang, parang, kung salary pa to, parang ganun, tapos
Correct.
gaganon bigla, no?
Correct.
If you may, no, how long before parang nalagpasan mo yung original salary mo, no? If you can share lang.
Yeah, matagal. Hindi ko na binibilang kasi ayoko rin i-admit. Matagal at mahirap siya.
Yes.
So, mahirap siya. It's not an easy thing. Lalo na sa early years, parang there will be times na madalang na parang magpapasweldo tayo. So, bawasan natin yung sa atin kasi importante yung natin, yung team natin. So, matagal siya. I would say parang mga 4 to 5 years din.
Right.
But we believe in our mission Parang we are enjoying ourselves. We believe in something. Parang there's a why and we parang of course there is I would say pag money lang, pag-abroad na lang tayo, di ba?
True. Pwede. Oo.
And all that. But I feel that by staying here, pa rin, we impact lives, we impact people. And we, in the end, parang yun yung by being here, parang we bring opportunities here and we bring opportunities to our fellow Filipinos.
Correct.
Yung kasi, yung talent strategy rin ni 98 Labs ng grupo namin. We go to the far-flung places. We bring the opportunities to the not so parang obvious We look for parang gold. We look for people na tricycle driver, itong mga contemporaries niya, pero siya naging world-class developer. So parang funny nga, we pride ourselves in developing internal talent. Parang ganyan. Magaling, I would say, medyo parang minsan napapaisip ako, parang tayo educational institution tayo acting like a consulting engineering firm minsan. Because we really talagang drive we invest in people na talagang i-guide natin to, aaralin natin to, tiyagain natin to. So, and we yan, kaya nga we go to the provinces, we go to that. And yung mga people, yun yung medyo parang may ko na ang pride namin na parang yung kasamahan nito mga yung mga simple life hindi but right now they're faring much better than their contemporaries.
Right, no. Balikan natin yan later, no? Yung hiring strategy nyo and yung parang solution strategy nyo towards empowering other fellow Filipinos. But before that, kasi na-mention natin content, no, yung journey mo in being a founder, pero I wanted to also know about your beginnings, like bakit IT napili mo, at the time na influence ka ba ng parents mo or hindi, and then paano mo hinanap yung first job mo, kasi ito yung mga questions potentially yung napapaisip nila ngayon din, no?
Yeah. Ito funny yung dati madrama actually.
Madrama.
Yung story ko medyo maalaala mo kaya.
So, malay mo ma-pick up, no? Tapos maging TV show pa to, ganyan.
Soap opera kasi kasi syempre teenager, tapos mataas yung hormones. So I had parang medyo, I would say, dysfunctional yung family ko. Then tapos nung after high school, actually lumayas ako sa amin. Medyo may pride ako.
Wow.
Sabi ko, magsasarili na ako. Na ako. So naglakad ako mula bahay papuntang nasa Cavite yan doon kami tapos nilakad ko papuntang UP Diliman. So lakad talagang
lakad lang yan? From Cavite hanggang UP Diliman? Wow.
First ko sa medyo drama nga So yun yung light moment ko. Tapos sabi ko, so okay, tumayas na ako. I have to eat. I have to find work. So nagano mga ano naman na-connect naman ako, nakahanap ako ng mga jobs and survival. It's a survival story actually. So, naghanap ako ng jobs, taga-type, taga-deliver ng mga sulat. I joined dito sa sa isang student assistant. So nakakuha ng student assistant job. So so parang taga-type ako ng mga letters, taga-ano ako ng mga spreadsheet. Tapos what I would do is that I would go to National Bookstore. Sabi ko, sige, I need to be more efficient in this. So, nabasa ako ng computer books doon. Ginagawa ko siyang library. Kasi, tapos, eventually, dati nakikipag-patintero pa ako sa guard. Kapag nakikita ka ng computer books, or any book for that matter, hindi mo binibili, papalayasin ka.
Yes.
Hindi na ba nga na ngayon eh. Anyway, so ito, mga katabi nito, may mga computer books, may mga programming books. So sabi ko, basa nga ako dito. So basa. So, parang tinitipan din ako, aral ka rin nito ng mga some of my friends. So basa ako ng basa. Tapos eventually parang okay, I think I'm starting to get it. So naghanap din ako ng yung first gig ko was with a friend. Parang college friend ko rin. Tapos naghahanap siya ng tutulong sa paggawa ng inventory system niya. Sabi ko, uy, ganito. Ginaid niya ako. So I'm very thankful for that opportunity na nadawit ako sa isang gig, sa isang sideline. Tapos eventually, sige, parang nagustuhan ko siya and mukhang may kita dito. So, ginawa ko na siyang I enjoyed programming pala and I am learning about programming. So each time na may gig ako, nakakabili na ako ng parang I would make it a point na mas mataas or mas mahirap na topic yung kukuhanin kong libro. Uy, ngayon nakakabili na ako ng libro. So man.
Si Guard, gano'n ka na kay Guard. Guard, binibili ka na to.
Nakakabili na ako ng libro. So, pero pag medyo gipitan pa rin, magbabasa pa rin ako. So, ganun. So, ang naging practice ko, talagang magbabasa ako ng libro. I learned programming without a computer.
Right.
So, eto yung classic na naglalakad ako, isusulat ko yung solution sa papel. Parang dati, pag uupo ko ang computer, dapat may solution flow pa na. Or at least guide ako sa papel. Kasi ang goal ko, yung first na pag-type ko ng program, dapat gumana. Kasi tumatakbo yung sa internet cafe, tumatakbo yung oras 30 minutes. Magre-rent ka lang di ba? So ganun yung lagi kong So nadala ko yung practice na yun na ay mas parang in the end parang solution rin pala siya. Problem solving si programming and minsan ang kaya ko siya nagustuhan, parang okay, what from thoughts to something, to reality. Parang napaka parang malleable, wala siyang materials. Hindi katulad ng yung mga engineering na yun kasi yung course, engineering, tapos kailangan may materials, mag-solder ka, may mga bibili ka na materials dito, walang materials. It's just you, your computer, and your thoughts. So parang medyo mababa yung barrier to entry.
Right.
Tapos, that's my And eventually, I was able to get more gigs. Nag-aral ako ng Java. Uy, sabi ko, tumaya ako sa Java. Uy, at that time, may bagong language, Java. Tapos, medyo hina-hype si Java. Sige, aral na to. Tapos, so, eventually, I got gigs here and there. And eventually, yung drama ko sa buhay na lumayas ako. Eventually, kasi walang job yung dad ko before. So, yun yung drama ko yun yung hinanakit niya. So, ngayon, I'm able to help na rin. So, I became the breadwinner. And I through programming, yung mga ipon ko, I was able to bring, pay for my own tuition, pay for the tuition of my sister, my brothers. Ako na rin naging breadwinner. Pero it was hard. Talagang maghahanap ako sa mga, sa ads, sa kung saan-saan. Pupunta ako sa I would work mga wee hours in the morning. Tapos bilang na bilang kada piso. Sabi ko, etong mga money na to, pang itatabi ko po to para sa tuition ni sister. Ito, sa akin to. Kada piso, alam ko kung saan pupunta yan. Kasi, yung pamasahe ko, pupunta dito sa gig ko, pupunta dito. Yan, bilang na bilang. So, may money management, time management, tapos, survival. It's,
ang galing very warming. Medyo napapaiyak nga ako konti talaga at sa totoo lang.
It was hard. Looking back, it was really hard. Kasi, kakain ako dati, kahit yung balat ng mangga, bibili ako ng Indian mango, balat ng mangga, kakainin ko na rin to, panlaman tiyan pa rin to. Ganun ang levels.
Wow.
Sige, lahat ng pagtitipid, lahat ng yung panglaman ng tiyan. I know, I knew how it is to be hungry. Pero may days na talagang walang kinakain din. Pero yun na eventually, there are I'm very thankful for the goodness of the people around me.
Right.
Siguro may maawa rin kasi eventually may kumukup rin eventually sa akin yung far off relative kasi nakita. Pero na-connect din ako nung mom ko dun sa far off relative. Na tumira ako sa Marikina kasi UP Diliman yung school So ayan. Pero pag ganyan naglalakad ako mula Marikina hanggang UP Diliman.
Right.
Eventually, I was able to hone my skills when I entered sa school for the students out there. I joined is yung software applications lab kasi may free internet. So ang trabaho doon kami nagme-maintain ng computers kapag gabi, yung iba So sabi ko this internet thing, sabi ko this is my equalizer. Bago pa yung internet doon, di ba?
Right.
Tapos okay, gagamitin ko to. Kasi dati, pupunta ako na natural bookstore, magbabasa ako doon. Pero andito ang daming mga articles, ang daming I will make use of this to really learn. Parang feeling ko ngayon, it's taken for granted, di ba? Kasi parang parang hangin na siya internet is mura, it's everywhere, it's ubiquitous, and parang at that time na bago siya, for me, it's my opportunity to get out of my situation. So sabi ko, this will be my equalizer. Yeah. So nag-invest ako on parang learning.
Right. And so after, syempre nandito ka na, nag-graduate ka na, may gigs ka na, sumali ka ba sa corporate or parang medyo mix parang gigs pa rin or how did that go?
Na-invite ako ng some friends, corporate muna. Tapos corporate, tapos I enjoyed both worlds after naman corporate ako. Sabi ko, I was exposed dito sa isang napaka-bugbugang project. Grabe. So dito naman ng yung mga sort of mismanaged projects. So talagang mga 2 hours na lang ang tulog. Tapos yung habol kayo ng habol, hindi ka pa rin makahabol. Sabi ko, dito ako nag-isip. Sabi ko, kung it is destroying my life. I entered this job. Magaling naman ako. Tapos but the environment it's not good for me. So sabi ko, ngayon, pero rin ako, nag-soul searching din ako. Ngayon, kung ganito yung environment, is this the correct environment? Is this the right way to build software? So parang nag-thought exercises din ako, parang ayoko rin ng ito. If I will be the leads, parang, kaya dun na-pick yung interest ko dun sa project management. Yung dun lumalabas yung mga agile, yung mga practices na to. Yan. So sabi ko, maganda yung mga ideas na to. So I embraced yung mga agile parang practices and school of thought. Tumatak sa akin yun and I was able to compare and all that. So yun, and lumabas ako. Siyempre, lumabas ako sa corporate, nag-gig ako, naging consultant ako. Tapos nung nagsawa uli ako, masaya naman ang consulting I always parang choose your project naman. I always choose my project where na talagang mas mahirap siya from the past one. Or yung project na may matututunan ako. I was very selective. Andun pa rin ako sa sa mood na I want to learn. I want to be better. So
Yes.
each project, lagi ako may level up. Hindi pwedeng walang level up. Level up, level up, level up. So ngayon, nung nakakapagod kasi yan consulting, your one-man show yan eh. And parang miss ko yung working with the team. Tapos nagbumalik ako sa corporate. Eto na, nag-stick nga ako dun. Nag-rise ako, senior developer. Eventually, naging technical architect. Tapos naging ginawa kong CTO ng firm. Ito na nga, na I was able to hone my management skills na. So, and implement it to this firm.
Right. So now you have both of best worlds. Parang you are still able to guide your path or at least make your own path, but may team ka rin, no? In that sense, because it's your own company.
Yes. And eventually, it beats solo. For me, in the end, yeah. Magaling ka, you can be a rock star. But in the end, dalawa lang yung kamay mo eh. Iba pa rin yung iba pa rin yung team eh. Pag kunwari may 5 kayo, kahit na hindi naman rockstar, you will accomplish more kung talagang the team is serious about it.
Right. So kanina pinost natin yung topic kanina about your hiring strategy or your training development strategy for your team, no? But I really wanted to go back to that because as you mentioned, parang medyo unique yung approach nyo, no? Which is dun kayo sa I don't want to say less fortunate, but at least less discovered. Ganun na lang. Less discovered talents, no? How do you do that? I mean, is that like, may parang bootcamp kayo, may IQ test para makita nyo, ito may potential siya. Especially if malayo sila, di ba? And may office kayo. Medyo mahirap din yun.
Correct. I started, gumawa kasi ako ng satellite office dito sa Visayas, dito sa Cebu. And then, Cebu became my parang R&D office and parang recruitment hub for Visayas and Mindanao. So, we go to Leyte, we go to Siargao, we go to mga CDO. So yan, may mga gagaling na mga tao, may mga potential. So pero ako inano ko rin parang it became parang a reflection rin on how I learned din So sabi ko, I was able to learn this thing. Hindi naman ako computer science. I graduate or but I was able to learn this thing. So siguro parang yung keeping it real or knowing, siguro ang lagi ko kasi tinatanong, ano ba yung hindi ko alam? Parang gano'n yung ano yung hindi ko alam dito? Parang kapag magbabasa ako ng libro, minsan talagang titingnan ko muna yung table of contents, parang ito yung mga hindi ko alam. So, then nag-reflect yung in the way how I learn, medyo parang na-reflect din how we teach internally. Yung mga principles na don't kid yourself. Pag hindi mo talaga alam, be true to yourself na aminin natin na hindi natin alam. Kasi yung knowing na hindi mo alam, it's the start. Parang yun yung starting point ng knowledge. Hindi ko alam. I can do something about it. And yung humility, yung intellectual humility na hindi ko pa to master. At saka yung pag sinabi kong alam na natin to, ang goal ko hindi yung parang familiarity, yung talagang alam mo, yung talagang pag papaputol ako ng kamay, talaga sure tayo dyan. Alam natin yan. Kasi parang ganun yung level of knowledge and pag sabi mong alam mo, dapat master mo. So ganun, medyo iba yung levels. Pag di mo alam, be humble. Pero pag ang goal natin talagang malaman siya deeply. So kami, pag mag-aaral kami, I usually get 2 books or 2 sources. Yung isa yung parang pambata, easy to read. Mabibigyan tayo ng overview, pero maghahanap ako ng isa pang resource na, ito in-depth. Mas challenging aralin. So ganon yung parang kaya yung sinasabi rin ni Richard parang Feynman is you ask yourself parang can you dito nag-reflect din yung yung how we teach and how we learn is yung thoughts din ni Richard Feynman, siya physicist siya na magaling kasi siyang physicist pero magaling din siyang teacher. So ang kagandahan sa kanya parang bakit naging superpower ni Richard Feynman na magaling siya magturo kasi yung technique niya ng na how do you evaluate yourself na if you can explain the topic well or easily with ease, then ibig sabihin, naintindihan mo yung topic. So, ganun yung simple formula namin sa lahat yan kaya lang matuto, lahat yan kayang aralin. Parang sundin lang natin to. Sabi ko, kung natutunan ko to ng high school or ng college, siguro magaganda talaga yung grades natin. Pero ngayon ko lang to natutunan eh. So, kaya ito, tinuturo kung kapag may mga bata akong na-encounter, yung ganito tayo mag-aral. Hindi to class, hindi to school. Yung iba kasi, na-shock doon minsan sa school eh. Sa quiz na, di ba? Or yung schoolwork, di ba? Sabi ko, ibalik natin yung gusto, yung curiosity natin to explore. Yung ano bang topic na to? Uy, ang saya pag ganitong nangyari. Uy, lalabas to. Parang naglalaro rin tayo. Let's rekindle that joy, that motivation, that curiosity para tayong maglaro. So yan, etong combination of these things, this is how we we teach. So parang ini-infect namin yung team with this parang set of values and wow, let's rediscover. Let's play around. Kaya nga laboratory eh. Kaya siya 98 Labs. Uy, let's play around. Let's be children again. Let's explore. Yeah.
Right. And so interesting, no? Madami sa atin and maybe sa madaming yung kaka-computer mo yan, no? Parang nagsimula sa mahilig ka maglaro ng games, lagi ka na sa computer, tapos biglang yun sasabihin siya, kaka-computer mo yan. Kaya naisip mo, sige, mag-computer na nga lang ako, yun na lang yun din profession ko, no? Madaming story na ganyan din, no? And actually, start din nga, yung experience nga of parang wanting to explore and experience, very similar nga sabi mo na parang that curiosity and even making your own curiosity and sharing that, no? Kaya I can sense that feeling, no? Just a couple more questions, no? Kasi medyo 33 minutes na tayo. Siguro, right. Ano yung current passion mo? I can see that parang there's always a sense of community that you're trying to do. Yun nga, parang teaching a little bit. Can you tell us more about this passion or other passions that you also have right now?
Passions na non-technical passions?
Pwede both, no? Pwede rin technical. Parang what eats up your time right now?
Okay, so before, dati nahilig ako sa movies, so that was tapos nag-evolve ako to running, to sports, and ultramarathon, I run mga long distances, mga 50 kilometers and above dati. And etong COVID, ang funny ko is blades. Naging mga Filipino blades. Yan. Yan ang naging interest ko. So siguro yan, papakita ko ng mga blades, mga yan.
Okay.
Blades, mga metalworks. Ayan.
Metalworks. Parang naging collector ka or ikaw mismo nagme-metalwork ka rin?
Hindi naman. Siguro I was parang playing around with mga leatherworks naman. Metalworks. I was geeking out on these things. Sa technical stuff, I still programming, DevOps stuff. I still keep myself updated. Sa naman, actually I like psychology. I like reading product management. Ano ba yung siyempre gawa ng mga world class software for other people. Parang my dream pa rin is to maybe build our own parang product that would really be a hit. So parang inaaral pa rin. I'm still exploring that mga angles. Yeah.
Right, no. And
Startup,
startups.
very interesting for me. Siyempre, uh, ayun, I mga join mga startup communities and as well as a business parang owner and but eventually para syempre nga we want to build our own products later on.
Right, true. No? So if you reflect now, no, and of course, syempre ang layo ng narating mo in that sense, no, literally nung naglakad ka ang layo ng narating mo, and now ang as a business owner, you know it's a very successful journey. So siguro just to share no to our audience, what makes you successful, or how do you even define your own success? Parang paano mo ano masasabi na marang successful na ako, you know, ano yung mga criteria mo for being successful?
Yeah.
Personal
For me,
criteria to, no? Oo.
yeah. For me, it's my success. I would say I'm successful when my team is successful and I am able to bring parang material, parang growth, parang yung mga team na yung mga teammates ko, may bahay na, nakapagpatayo na siya ng bahay, kumuha na siya ng sasakyan. Tapos ito, nag-grow yung mga tao. Dati hindi makapag-code, ngayon wow, ang lupit na ng code na ginagawa niya. Tapos yung exposure niya sa So I take parang pride and na I would say yung success I'm able to share parang and I'm happy to observe the success of others around me. If feeling ko parang it feeds on each other. If others around me are successful and because of me or because of the team, hindi naman talaga ako lang. And we all make ourselves successful, parang gano'n. So
Right.
we feed on each other's success. So your success is my success. So parang gano'n. And my success, I will share it with you as well. So ganun, meron kaming sense of community dun sa group na.
Right.
So, that's my principle. So in that sense, I would say, yes, we have reached a certain level of success, but I think we're not yet that. Malayo.
Right. Great. No? And thanks for those inspiring words of success, na. Our last question na lang dito na is basically, you know, yung linggo dito sinasabi nila bang how to be you po, no? Or ano yung advice na generally ano ma-advise mo sa mga current people who are very young in their IT profession?
Ayan. Well, stay curious. Yun, I would repeat yung don't kid yourself kapag hindi mo alam. Alamin natin, mas ma-enjoy mo talaga yung programming or yung mga IT stuff kapag naiintindihan mo siya. So, I would say, learn, focus on learning, focus on growing yourself, take that, yung intellectual honesty kapag hindi mo alam, recognize it, and make kumilos tayo and to learn and expose yourself. I was able to learn because I was able to practice. So, parang during my college days, ang dami ko ng projects natapos. So parang versus parang a typical graduate. Ang dami kong knowledge and real world parang practices, exposure, and napaka-practical. Iba yung practical ng para siyang para siyang art. You have to practice so that you would be able to grow.
Right. All right. So thank you again so much, no, Bri, for your words and inspiration to our audience, no. Guys, I hope if may na-enjoy mo as much as I did, no, and if nandyan kayo, maalala mo, baka lang na mapapanood niyo to, pwedeng gawin nating TV show, dramatize natin. Um, right, pero guys, if may gusto kayong itanong or na-affect or na-inspire kayo dito, and gusto niyo mag-reach out kay Brian, of course, nandito sa comment section, ilalagay din natin sa description sa baba, no? Kung ano yung gusto niyong isabi, and mag-follow up, etc. Sir Brian, do you have any last words lang or any shout out na gustong i-promote? Now's the time to our audience also.
Wala na. I would just thank you, Raf, for this opportunity. And I'm very thankful that you're setting up this parang series of talks,
right?
So that we inspire each other and we learn from each other. So I think that's a very important thing.
Right. No. And I think one of the learnings I really have here is that everyone has a varied story, no? And really, anyone can practice IT career. No? Audience, anyone can go with IT career. Merong ibang maaga, may iba late, may iba, very varied in career as long as you enjoy what you do. But of course, don't forget yung work-life balance konti, no? As you'll see na different yung hobbies ng mga tao. The IT career is very wide and you definitely can succeed in this career.
Okay. So thank you.
All right, thank you and goodbye everyone. Bye audience.
Bye.
And of course, if you like our content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. Thank you.